Welcome to Moms Every Day, helpful hints for a happier home.
Welcome to momseveryday.com. Today we're at the Face Place talking to Dr. Schmidt about broken noses. How common is this, especially during the summertime?
Sure. Well, during the summertime, and then as we're getting back into school and football, we're going to be seeing a lot more broken noses. The nose is actually the most commonly broken bone in the entire body.
How is that possible?
Well, it sticks out in front of your face, you know, when you play sports, and you know, sometimes you take a tumble, or especially in car accidents, you know, when the airbag deploys, or just sometimes you hit it on the steering wheel and it just breaks. Right.
What are some good tips for parents?
Sure. Well, initially what you'll see is the kid will get very swollen. You may have a nosebleed. It'll hurt. So the first things to do is put some ice on there. If there's a lot of bleeding, you can either put pressure on the nose, or if that hurts too much, you can spray some decongestant spray like Afrin in the nose, and that will make the bleeding stop.
Okay. And then once the swelling kind of goes down, then should the parents bring their child into the doctor?
Sure. You can never go wrong by having it evaluated. Typically, we would wait a little less than a week, 4 to 5 days before getting the patient in, just to allow some swelling to subside. And then you would see what kind of problems they would have.
Okay. Now, is surgery necessary with broken noses?
Yeah, not always. If the nose is straight and the patient's breathing well, then you frequently don't need to do anything. However, if there's a significant deformity, or if the patient's having breathing problems, then an operation is usually suggested.
Okay. Thank you, Dr. Schmidt, so much. So again, if you'd like more information on broken noses or the Face Place, log on to kbtx.com under Moms Every Day.